Dr. O here. I like to consider RNA the Khloe Kardashian of the nucleotide world. Would you like to find out why? DNA must have one heck of a publicist. Now, don't get me wrong, DNA is very valuable, extremely important. Obviously, I'm here because of it, you're here because of it, lemon yogurt's here because of it. But RNA is extremely valuable, yet it's never talked about. So let's look first at just the amount of RNA you have in a cell versus DNA. So your DNA is going to be about 1%. About 1% of your cell is going to be DNA, whereas somewhere in the neighborhood of 5% of your cells are going to be RNA. You probably have somewhere in the neighborhood of 6 picograms, that's a trillionth of a gram of DNA in each of your cells. You have somewhere between 10 and usually closer to 30 picograms of RNA inside your cell. So at any given moment, one of your cells is going to have 360,000 different messenger RNA molecules in it. And that's not even counting the other types of RNA that we'll cover in other videos. 12,000 different species of messenger RNA constantly working to produce the proteins that you need. So DNA is great. DNA does a phenomenal job of storing information, but RNA is actually what gets that information, takes it out of the nucleus, gets it to your cellular machinery so you can produce the proteins that make you, you. I could list off tons of examples to show you how important RNA is. We could look at its role in decreasing the expression of cancer genes in cancer therapy. We could look at its role in slowing the ripening process of fruit. But there's really only one that I need to tell you about, and that is called the RNA World Hypothesis, which basically says that life started as RNA. We've had tons of chicken or the egg debates with what came first, DNA or protein, but the most widely accepted theory is that RNA was the first to show up. And because RNA is inherently unstable, that's what allowed it to mutate and change, leading to DNA and then later proteins. Pretty cool stuff. So to wrap up this short introduction to RNA, I know DNA gets all the publicity. DNA is the one that everyone's thinking about. But every time I turn around, I see RNA accomplishing something and RNA doing something. So that's why I call RNA the Khloe Kardashian of the nucleotide world.